Hello, everybody. It is Jordan Yates, and today I'm here with Fabio from Romagnole, and we're going to talk about how Zeus Power Supplies and Romagnole are partnered to bring the electric power industry transformers, pole line hardware, and all the equipment that you need to keep your operations up and running. So, Fabio, say hello to everybody.
Hello, everyone. As Jordan just introduced myself, my name is Fabio, marketing manager of a Romagnoli group located in Brazil, and we do exports to zoos as our partner in US.
That is awesome. How long have you worked there?
I'm working in Romagnoli since 2018, almost
Okay.
7 years now.
Awesome. So you've gotten to see a lot of crazy things happen in the industry from the pandemic to where we are now, where transformers are just so hard to get and the lead times are so long. So that's something you've probably seen a lot of, isn't it?
Right. Yes, the supply chain of transformer business has been impacted a lot during the pandemic. When we talk about the supply chain from several partners that we do have in China, in Turkey, and other suppliers as well. So it was impacted a lot of this because of this.
Yeah, no, it's crazy and it feels like we're still recovering and it's not like they're easy products to get or to make, but that's why Zeus is partnered with you all. So I'm curious, can you tell people who aren't familiar with your company what are the main products and things that you guys manufacture down there that you, I guess, distribute through Zeus?
Right. Romagnoli is a family company. It was founded in 1962, so almost 62 years old of experience on the energy market. So we do manufacture pole lines, transformer, hardware stuff, panels, switch gears, and a lot of stuff dedicated to this market.
That's awesome. That's kind of the bread and butter of what Zeus does. I mean, they also, will source anything from like the rubber electric gloves to, like you said, the transformers that you all do. Are you familiar with, I guess, how the relationship became, or how the relationship between Romagnole and Zeus started? Is that something that you were involved with?
Yes, our relationship started just during the pandemic, if I'm not wrong. And when US started to have difficulties to find out transformers for your local market. We, as a Brazilian, very well recognized in terms of quality, in terms of because we do supply for international groups like EDP, Enel, and other groups. So it was I think.
Yeah, no, definitely. I think it's interesting that down in Brazil you guys are able to actually make these products and get them out faster. Now, maybe this is a guess, maybe it is, just your hypothesis, but why do you think down in Brazil you're able to make these faster than we are in the US?
To make things faster for Zeus or for our North American customers, I think it's important to shorten our lead times and to speed up our manufacturing facilities. So we are investing a lot in our factories. We are, I think, in 2 years now. So we are implementing a lots of new production lines that we will speed up our production capacity just to supply our international customers.
That's a big deal. That's really exciting that you guys are doing that. I think it aligns well with what Zeus stands for, which is, consistently innovating, finding new ways to get their customers' products faster. And it was probably 6 or 7 months ago, I got to take a trip. It was all the way up in the northeast of the US, and I got to see the yard that had all the Romagnole transformers. So there was like thousands of them there. It was so cool to see because you talk to people in the US and they're like, we can't find a transformer anywhere. And I drive up or I fly up there, I drive out to the yard and I'm like, there's thousands of them here. You guys just aren't looking in the right area. And so I think that's why Zeus is kind of the middle person bring these awesome solutions and fast manufacturing you have down in Brazil and get it to the US. So it sounds like you guys have had a great partnership there. Has there been any success stories that, you guys source something really fast for a customer, or things that you want to tell us that was kind of like a fun adventure you went on with Zeus?
Okay, correct. I think one a good experience that we have is our daily basis in our relationship. So we try to always to do our best and to bring to Zeus and to US our best products, and we are implementing lots of actions to improve our quality of our products. And this is one thing that we most proud of, and we want to keep this at our high level. So our intention, our deal is just to bring to you our best quality, our best products, and that's it.
That's awesome. Yeah. You all have a very extensive line card of just pole line hardware alone. I remember when I was starting to help Zeus with their marketing, I was going on your website and looking, and it took me forever to copy and paste all the pictures over because there was so many of them.
Correct. Yes. The pole line hardware, I think it's one of our next steps that we work together with Zeus. And we have 5 factories in Brazil to process the steel, and with a high quality products and with a vast portfolio, with everything that you need, you will find out with our portfolio.
Yeah, no, I absolutely agree. It's definitely very extensive, and you hit it right on the head. The quality is also there, which I
Yes.
was surprised. I was like, if you can get it fast, usually sometimes, speed equals cheaper, not as nice quality. But it sounds like where your specialty is that balance of both high quality and getting the products fast, and that's definitely something very special.
Correct. And as you said, this is one of our specialties as well. So we have a pole line hardwares and transformers as the big with the big business units that we have here. And for sure, we are supplying to Zeus the best product lines that we have.
Absolutely. And so I have one more question. Now, then it'll wrap us up. So, where do you hope to see your partnership go with Zeus over the next couple of years?
I think it's a very good question. So in the future, I think what we Romagnole we do expect is to improve this partnership and looking for new opportunities, not only hardline poles or transformers, maybe other as smart grid. So we have other products with voltage regulators and a lot of nice stuff that we can move forward.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I feel like we're barely scratching the surface. Like, you guys have all of the stuff we have to have, and like you said, the grid is evolving. The smart grid is coming. Smart meters. There's so many other products we can get into, and I think it would be great to see the partnership go there. So I'm excited for that, and I'm excited that right off the bat, our followers and customers got to get a little bit of insight into Romagnole and get to meet you, and so that way, when we tell them about new things in the future, they'll already be familiar with you.
Right, and the sky is the limit.
Indeed, it is. Well, thank you so much, Fabio. Guys, we'll see you next time.
See you. Bye bye.